Mark Eaton here with an introduction to the third part of the course. Now, for the past 4 weeks, we've taken a look at various leadership theories or models. And as we've done that, we've sort of changed our conceptualization of leadership. So we started out looking at the leader specifically. That includes behaviors and traits, skills, that sort of thing. Then we expanded the conceptualization a little bit, started looking at the dyadic relationships between a leader and a follower, and then we expanded it even further to look at other variables within the situation, and these we called contingency theories. Now, hopefully, from the presentations that I've already given in the course, as well as feedback on your assignments, you realize that it's important to me that you understand not only the strengths of each of these theories and models, but also the weaknesses or the criticisms, I guess, on the way that the research or the research methodologies were conducted. And that's important because the strengths help us understand what we can best get out of the theory, or if we choose to use a combination of theories to develop our own style, then we know what the research tells us works or doesn't work. But the criticisms help us understand that maybe the research is not as perfect as it could be, or maybe there are other things that need to be researched. Or other criticisms may tell us the limitations of the theory. So as a graduate course in leadership, it's really important that you sort of get that balance between those strengths and criticisms when you use that information in the reflections of your journal, or in discussions with each other, or in the analysis of case studies. So as we go forward with the rest of the course, I really want you to kind of work on that a bit. Now, the next 4 weeks are really about other things around leadership. So in this next part, the theme is really change. And we'll start by looking at charismatic and transformational leadership and the change process itself and what the leader effectiveness is in certain change situations. And then we'll look at leaders in small groups and in executive teams, because in the modern corporate age, I guess, organizations are moving more toward team level efforts as a way of improving the ability of the organization to be innovative and to actually change with the markets and things like that. So in the next 2 weeks, really the central theme is about change, but we'll examine a variety of topics within that within that theme. So as before, the 2 weeks will be set up just like you've experienced so far. You'll go through a period of where you should be absorbing information from the textbooks, my presentations, YouTube videos, things like that that I put out there. Absorb that. Browse through all of that, and then your initial discussion will be on a topic that's related to change, and you'll be asked to sort of take a look at a particular leader and see if you can find evidence of transformational skills or practices that the leader may have. And then you'll move into a journal assignment where you sort of take that information and on reflection, look at your own personal work life and how that all may compare. Then we'll go into the next week where you'll work in teams to analyze a specific case study, and then the actual independent case study that you'll do at the end of that period. So this presentation I'm giving you now marks the halfway point in an 8-week compressed course, highly accelerated. We're covering a lot of material, but we're halfway there, and now we're on the downside. So I look forward to working with you during the third part of this course.